Hello everyone, this is Renee from Paramount Solutions in Orlando, Florida. We are a small privately owned psychic service. We book psychic readings by phone. We do test our readers before they're allowed to join us, so we know they're good. We've been in business for over 20 years. We always have a 5-minute guarantee. We are actually based on repeat clients because our clients call us back because we do offer a valuable service. We are a very private company. We do not bother our clients, and it kind of works out for everybody because the readers are already tested. You're not going blindly into a reading. So call us at 1-800-966-2294. We do specifically focus on clairvoyant psychic readings, which clairvoyant readers are visual readers who pick up on the past, present, and future visually and then describe it to you. Some of our readers can use some tarot cards, and therefore I have been going over just tarot cards and what they do and what they symbolize in the past few YouTube videos. And I'm going to be keeping this up for a little bit, so definitely subscribe to our feed. We'll have a lot more information coming out very soon. I wanted to focus on the swords today, so we're going to be focusing on the suit of the swords in the Minor Arcana. The Major Arcana is actually back there. We actually have it, kind of back there in the corner right now, which it's actually a very big deal to have Major Arcanas in your tarot card spread. However, just for this specific, demonstration, I'm actually just showing it back up there. There are 4 suits in the Minor Arcana. We have the Wands, the Pentacles, the Cups, and then the Swords. Today we are focusing on the swords. We have the Page, Queen, King, and Knight of Swords that are actually going to be our court cards. And then we have Ace through 10, which are going to be just our numbered cards. So if I'm referring to numbered cards, that's what I'm talking about. If I'm referring to the court cards, that's what I'm talking about. We just always want to stress the importance of finding an experienced tarot card reader in order to do your readings. Many people can, read cards or read from a book or even read, just all about tarot cards and think that they know what they're doing. But the best readers really do have, the cards are almost an extension of themselves. They do a lot of energy clearing with their cards. They usually are fairly well-worn cards. You can tell that they're well-worn because they're a little bit thicker. They're also a very valuable asset to that psychic. It's not something you pick up lightly. This is a craft, and it's also an art form. So you definitely want to find somebody that knows what they're doing, especially if you're talking about your issues, because you don't want to get bad advice. That's important. So I definitely wanted to talk about the Suit of Swords. It is part of the Minor Arcana. The Minor Arcana deals more with day-to-day issues of life versus the Major Arcana deals with big changes coming up. And that always depends on where they are in the tarot card spread. The tarot card spread is very important. We'll be going over quite a few different tarot card spreads in the future, so definitely keep tuned, and if you can, subscribe to our feed because we'd love to tell you all about it. The Suit of Swords is actually dealing with power, change, action, ambition, communication, and thought. When the swords appear in a tarot card spread, it can signify ideas and intellectual growth. It's actually associated with air signs in astrology. Sometimes if the court cards show up in your reading, it can actually represent somebody who's maybe a Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius who may be coming into or out of your life that you need to look out for, or that you just need to know that that person may help you. The Suit of Swords appears when a person is being read as needing to take action, maybe figure out problems, and then work to solve whatever problem that is. If the person being read does not take action, they may actually end up feeling a little bit trapped until they figure out how to solve that problem and then move forward. That does depend on where it is in the tarot card spread, though, because it could be past, present, or future. So you always have to remember that. So just in case if you get that coming up in your reading, don't worry. You can probably work on it, and the reader should be able to give you guidance. Depending on the number of the card and where it can appear in where it appears in the spread, because these are all the numbered cards. They can actually indicate whether a problem is in the past, present, or future. It can also indicate guidance onto how to proceed and people to look out for. If it's dominated, if your entire spread is dominated, or there's many, like the swords keep coming up throughout your tarot card spread, it may represent that you need to make a decision, solve a problem, and or be cautious of events that are coming up around you. If you have any questions on this, please call us at 1-800-966-2294. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. We would appreciate it. Otherwise, we hope to hear from you soon and maybe do a reading for you. Call us at 1-800-966-2294.